I was cleaning out my desk when my boss smirked and said my algorithm was his now. He had no idea the patent had been granted in my name 1 year ago. What happened next cost him $50 million and his entire company. But I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the story of how I went from fired employee to patent holder, how my paranoia saved my career, and how my former boss learned the most expensive lesson of his life. Trust me, you'll want to hear how this ends, because it gets so much better. My name is Alex. 2 years ago, I was a software engineer at Tech Vision Solutions. Small company, big dreams, terrible management. I'd been there for 3 years, writing code, solving problems, making other people rich. My boss, Marcus Reed, was everything wrong with tech leadership. Arrogant, greedy, always taking credit for other people's work. But I love the actual work. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, the future being built one algorithm at a time. That's when I had the breakthrough. I'd been working on pattern recognition systems, trying to solve a problem that had stumped our team for months. The issue was complex. How do you teach AI to recognize subtle patterns in chaotic data? Most approaches fail because they look for obvious connections. But real intelligence finds the hidden ones. I was working late one Thursday night. The office was empty. Just me and my computer. That's when it hit me. What if the AI didn't just look at data patterns? What if it looked at the absence of patterns? It sounds simple now, but it was revolutionary then. I spent the entire night coding, testing, refining. By morning, I had a working prototype, an algorithm that could find patterns other AIs missed completely. I was exhausted, excited, proud. This wasn't just another piece of code. This was a game changer. The algorithm could predict market trends, identify security threats, recognize medical symptoms. Applications were endless. I couldn't wait to show Marcus. Big mistake. Marcus arrived at 9 a.m. sharp, always punctual, always dressed like he was closing million-dollar deals. Alex, he said, grabbing his usual coffee. Status update on the pattern recognition project. Actually, I said, I think I solved it. His eyebrows went up. Solved it. I showed him the demo. The algorithm analyzing sample data, finding patterns that previous systems missed. Marcus watched in silence. His expression was unreadable. This is impressive, he finally said. It's more than impressive. This could change everything. Run it again. I ran the demo 3 more times. Each time, the results were perfect. Marcus leaned back in his chair. Send me the code. The code. I want to review it personally. Make sure it's ready for presentation to the board. I should have been suspicious. Marcus never reviewed code personally. He barely understood basic programming. But I was naive, excited, eager to share my breakthrough. I sent him everything. The algorithm, the documentation, the test results. I'll need a few days to analyze this, he said. Keep this between us for now. Keep it between us. Another red flag I ignored. When do you think we can present it? I asked. Soon. I'll let you know. Soon never came. A week passed. No word from Marcus about the algorithm. 2 weeks. Still nothing. I finally asked him directly. Marcus,